No, I was gonna ask. Well, let me ask you: is that part of the reason why you stopped getting into, because listen, you're a three-time Emmy Award winner. Your show, if
Yeah,
I'm not, yeah, it's in the Guinness Book of World Records, right? And also it's
yeah,
the
60 years.
60 years. The longest running entertainment program in ABC's history. So the accolades are there. For over 2 decades was the face of soaps, right? So why
Yeah.
didn't you decide to leverage that success or all of that past success and go into different roles such as production, writing, or whatever the case may be? You know, um, why get out of the industry?
Uh, well, for me, I always wanted to do other stuff, and then about 6, 7 years ago, for whatever reason, I got a lot of jobs outside of the soap.
Got it.
I
Okay.
did a movie with Mickey Rourke. I did two, Lifetime movies. I played John Gotti. I did my own movie that I produced. And then I realized for myself that the grass ain't greener. And I don't really want to act much anymore. So it's changed the importance of getting a movie or this or that. It's not that important to me anymore. I truthfully rather do GH and State of Mind. And I got other stuff that I'm working on too.
Right.
But that if I could just do that, if I could just do State of Mind the rest of my career and do a little bit of a job here and there in movies or in acting, that would make me very happy. Very happy. I just can't do it right now.
Yeah. How hard? Matter of fact, for all those aspiring actors and actresses out there, how hard is it to act?
Well, if you're a bad actor, if you're a bad actor, it's not that hard
Well,
because you just
have you come across bad actors in your life in your career? I'm
oh
pretty sure you have.
so many I can't tell you. But when you're an actor who goes deep and goes in those places, it's more difficult. And then if you're an actor who goes deep into those places, and you're a method actor, like I am, and bipolar, mentally has mental illness, it's difficult, man. Very difficult. Now I wouldn't have said that 20 years ago
Oh,
because
okay, okay, different era
I
right now. Right, right.
yeah, yeah, I lived for that then. I loved for it to be difficult. I loved all that stuff. But when you're my age, man, and you've been doing this for over 30 years, um, you, your perspective changes.
Right. Well, we, enlighten us a little bit here. We all hear some of the shadow dark secrets of Hollywood, right? And you have to be in certain conversations and in certain circles, you have to indulge in like the nightlife and everything, the fast life, let's just say. And you know, is that really, is there's really truth to that thought there? Is that or through that I guess yeah, I guess to that thought that you have to, be able to go ahead and I guess indulge with the socialites of Hollywood to be able to get in.
Well, I'm sure that's true with a lot of uh, different people, different actors, different musicians, whatnot. Soaps is a very clean job. There's
Oh,
not a
okay,
lot of
a
that
lot
stuff going
different,
on.
a lot different.
Yeah, and I've been a family man for my whole career, so it's been very, very clean and cool and a lot of love. But yeah, there's a lot that goes on in Hollywood. Trust me.
Uh, which, obviously, we've seen it right with the whole Harvey Weinstein and everything like that,
Yeah, yeah.
and other things that's going on and everything like that, right? But to as we ready to go ahead and wrap up the show, you've had a huge success in the soap industry, right? But your main approach, and your main vision now is mental health wellness.